Hello, my name is Audrey Celestine. My cameramen are Kiama Collins and Imani Chite. We are here today at Kitengela Glass. We've walked about 5 kilometers to get here. This place is an glass manufacturing industry. They manufacture glass by melting them and making them into creative things. These people are so creative. I just saw like a life-size unicorn and 2 hippos and a gorilla and what else? An elephant, life size, made of glass. The place is so beautiful. Everything is made of glass, including the footpaths, the houses. I even saw a life size dinosaur that is made of glass. So today we are here not because of the tourist attraction, but we are here to see a young talented boy that is talented in juggling. He can also ride a unicycle very comfortably. It is so impressive to see him riding and juggling, because it seems so easy when you look at him, but when you try yourself you're gonna know that it's very hard. Personally, I tried, and the juggling is a whole work. Like, I used to catch one and the other one fell down or hit me on my face. I even tried riding the unicycle, but trust me, you don't want to know the story. But one thing that's clear is that I'm not going near a unicycle, not anytime soon. So I think we'll go straight to the chase. We'll cut straight to the chase. So I would like him to introduce himself. I'd like him to tell us his age, his school. Yeah, start with that one. Tell us your age and your school.
My name is Joseph Kerr, and I'm 11 years old, and I go to school in Ashwad Knowledge Academy.
Thank you. So, Joseph, I would like you to tell us about juggling. When did you start learning about juggling?
I started on March when the pandemic came to Kenya.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so that was last year?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long did it take you to learn juggling?
To juggle balls, ilinichukua 1 week.
1 week to learn? And
balls.
You were balls.
But not perfect. Perfect ilinichukua 5 months.
Wow, a whole 5 months.
Yeah.
Okay, so apart from the juggling, you also do the unicycle. So when did you start learning how to ride the unicycle?
I learned it on January.
This year?
Yeah, this year. From date 1 to date 12.
12 days, that is.
And nilikuwa nimeshajua.
Oh, so
within 12 days.
How was it when you started? Were you falling, or maybe you learned really quick?
Yeah, nilikuwa naanguka.
So who introduced you to juggling? Nani alikuintroduce kwa juggling na unicycle?
Darren aliniintroduce kwa Puppet 254, then wakanitrain kujuggle na unicycle.
So Puppet 254 ni kama organization ina train watu ama?
Yeah, huwa inafanya kazi puppetry, juggling, magic.
Okay, so also Joseph passes on his skills. There's a YouTube video of him teaching how to juggle. It's under the page of Puppet 254, under the title How to Juggle in 5 Minutes. So if you want, please look it up. You just type on YouTube Puppet 254, then you look for the topic How to Juggle in 5 Minutes. Okay, so I would like you to tell us, how often do you practice? Una practice like once a week ama kila siku ama mara ngapi kwa siku?
I practice like a day 20 minutes.
Oh, that is asubuhi ama jioni?
That's school days.
Oh, school days.
Jioni.
Ukishatoka shule.
But weekend I juggle for I think a day.
For like mostly during the weekends you do a lot of juggling.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you balance school na talent yako? Like kuna yenye ina affect ingine ama tu kuna venye unaibalance?
Hapana, zote ziko equal.
Oh, so like unaenda shule asubuhi then jioni ndio una train juggling. Okay. So I would like you to tell us your favorite subjects in school. Unapenda subjects gani shule?
Math.
Okay, so do you showcase your talent anywhere? Maybe hata shule maybe.
Yeah, I do. Siku za parent day huwa naenda na unicycle na juggling things kuonyesha watu shule. Pia huwa tunafanya puppet show na puppet 254. Pia huwa tuna shoot na puppet 254 video, puppet video pia na juggling video.
Okay, so kwa puppet 254 do they let you una practice like kwa channel yao then they put it on YouTube?
As in puppet 254 as in, hata hiyo video nilitaka kushoot saa sikuwa na YouTube channel na sikuwa nimefika time ya open my YouTube channel.
So
Saa puppet 254 ikanisaidia.
Okay. The next thing ningependa kujua schedule ya siku yako, a normal day yenye unaenda shule. Niambie ukiamka unafanya nini na nini mpaka jioni ukilala.
Nikiamka asubuhi huwa nafanya normal thing kama kuosha uso, kubrush meno,
dress.
Then naenda kwa bus stop.
Bus stop ni mbali from hapa home?
Si mbali. Saa nangojea basi by 6:15 inakuanga hapo. Saa tunaenda shule then by 6:20 tumeanza lesson.
Mnaanza mapema. Alafu
tunaanza na math, 7 English.
Like mnafuata tu timetable. Then breaks, then lunch.
Breaks sana huwa sitoki.
Utoki wapi? Darasa? Mbona?
Nikisha kunywa uji ama chai narudi class tu.
Kukurevise. Okay. Ukitoka shule unafanya nini?
Nikitoka shule kwanza na walk nione nature then niende nifanye house chores.
Unarudishwangwa na basi ya shule?
Ndio.
Okay, so about house chores, naonanga the last time I was here niliona una help around, mlikuwa mnaweka chlorine kwa swimming pool. Apart from hiyo unafanyanga nini ingine to help around huku?
Pia huwa nafagia sometimes pool. Pia huwa nasaidia
kwa pool.
Kutembeza wageni
around like kwa guide wageni wakikuja. Okay. So I don't think we have anything else. So ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately this is the end of our interview for today. So because of the time factor and also we have a 5-kilometer trek to go back home, we are looking forward to seeing Joseph showcase his talents and skills, and looking at him, we would like him to take part in more competitions maybe and get recognition and awards from it. I know that you are all dying to see Joseph in action now. His video will come up next. Bye bye. My name is Audrey Celestine.